Science and technology are connected to each other. They cannot be disconnected. However, the infrastructure, the ecosystem that we have need also to be nicely, smoothly connected to each other.
Science is really important. So without having science, it's, I think, almost impossible to create broad high-tech economy. So this is an interesting conference that I think sort of brings people from academia and industry together, and often just building these bridges or even learning to speak same language, that's important.
And then the problem which you formulated, which we are discussing in this conference, are different than other conferences. That is very unique and very useful. And because not only science, not only application, but between these together, and also how to solve problems which between us. This is first time I see in these big conferences.
This kind of a collaboration between universities, government, and industry is quite new. But there are a lot of things brewing, and this conference is one of the manifestations of that.
So I came to Armenia for this conference because of the quality of the conference itself, also to explore opportunities for NVIDIA to engage with the tremendous scientific and technical talent which is here, to look at opportunities for scientific collaborations, for business collaborations.
And this conference was organized by the young, bright Armenian fellows who were trying their absolute best to promote science and technology in Armenia. When they invited me, I was excited to be part of the conference. That's why I traveled.
So I'm happy to share what we have, how we build the successful teams, and get all the feedback we have here. I know you have pretty good universities, brilliant teams, and a set of startups. That's exciting. So basically that's it. And this is probably the very good idea and the very good place to have such a conference that connects one world to another world, so they can join and grow together, not just trying to cope to each other.
STCC as a conference is very much in line with the philosophy of the Convergence Center. In fact, the name Science and Technology Convergence is an example of that. The EU-TUMO Convergence Center for Engineering and Applied Science is a new initiative that will try to bridge academia and industry and bridge the local and international collaborators.
Most important project here I announced here in this conference, and this is the Open National Center for Artificial Intelligence Research.
Because I'm doing research in machine learning and optimization, I would love to find people to collaborate with, and I would love to share my experience in both research and how to apply to grad schools in the US or all over the world.
Conferences like the STCC conference, and particularly the STCC 19 conference this year, are just an amazing forum which brings together, I think, a lot of different disciplines, a lot of different individuals, a lot of creative energy, which is what I really like here.